This is Signal Daily News. Marketing news that actually matters to your business. Here's what you need to know today. You've probably seen the comparison guides. The ones that pit DIY SEO against hiring an agency. They always make it sound so simple. But here's what nobody's telling you. We're tracking a new breakdown that gets real about the numbers. And honestly, it changes the conversation. For context, most guides say, do it yourself if you have time. That's vague. That's not helpful. This analysis actually puts a price tag on your time. It looks at your revenue. It looks at your market. Here's the core finding. If you're making under $50,000 a year, DIY is probably your move. You can learn the basics. You can write your own content. You can fix your own meta tags. It won't be perfect. But it's better than nothing. But here's the catch. There's a hidden cost. It's your time. Think about it. Every hour you spend on SEO is an hour you're not selling. Not serving customers. Not building your product. That's the real trade-off.so. What does this mean for your business? In our assessment, the threshold is around $100,000 in revenue. Once you cross that line, your time is worth more than the agency fee. That's when hiring pros actually pays for itself. And here's what you're really paying for when you hire an agency. It's not just the work. It's the accountability. It's the speed. It's the expertise that keeps you from making costly mistakes. The kind that get your site penalized. But there's one more factor. Your market. If you're in a hyperlocal niche, DIY can work just fine. You know your customers. You know their questions. But if you're competing nationally, the game changes. The competition is smarter. The stakes are higher. Here's your move this week. Do an honest audit of your time. Track your hours for 3 days. Then ask yourself, is this really the best use of my energy? If the answer is no, it might be time to call in the cavalry. That's your briefing. Full story at Signal Daily News. Go grow your business. We'll keep watch on the news.